All right, we're going to cover the 2-ton engine crane. It's pretty straightforward. If a person wants to use it, just have to have this lever fairly snug. Go up and down on the bar. That extends the ram out of the cylinder, which moves the arm upwards. To lower it, simply lift the lever up, and that'll lower the ram and lower whatever you're lifting. For safety wise, whenever you're lowering it, you do not want to have your hand in here. If you lower it with a heavy load, and it could go down quite fast, you could actually crush your hand in there. One other pinch point that you don't want to have your hand in is right in here. If you had your fingers in there and it was coming down quickly, yeah, goodbye fingers. Whenever you're using a crane like this and moving it across the shop, it should always be in the lowest position possible. You don't want a heavy weight up in the air, because if you happen to catch a piece of gravel or some other debris on the floor, the whole crane could tip over. And if it comes over and tops you, if you have 500 pounds or so, whatever the weight, and if it lands on you, it's gonna hurt or crush you. So you don't want to be doing that. You want to keep her as low as possible. That's with any lifting device. Keep her low, keep it safe, and don't go underneath it. When you're attaching any load to it, we have a hook, and then we have different lifting straps or lifting chains. The lifting chains and straps also have all the ratings on there, so you don't want to be the correct rating for the load. With this particular hoist, there's extendable legs just for stability. Same one in the back. You don't want to extend them too far just because they could fall out. And with any equipment around, there's some information about what its lifting capacities are and other warnings that are on there as well. All right, and that concludes the engine crane.